India Bharat Mahan. India is not just a country, it's an emotion,
खुद बोल
it's
रही
an
है।
energy, it's a love and our, it's our country. The biggest feature we got is being called as India. We are proud of it. Our country has many big personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Sachin Tendulkar, Narendra Modi, many more now. Now it's our turn to the biggest personalities of India now. Now it's our turn to make India great India. It's only can be done by our best we are most successfully by the below our citizens. On this occasion, independence day, take a come to our and I will not stop until I will make my great India. आज हमें भारत माँ के समक्ष यह प्रण लेनी है कि मैं तब तक नहीं रुकूंगी जब तक मैं अपने भारत को एक महान भारत न बना दूं। We will not only make ourselves rich and successful, we will make our country successful. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा महान भारत हमारा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा महान भारत हमारा और इसे महान बनाने का कर्तव्य है हमारा, कर्तव्य है हमारा, कर्तव्य है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, थैंक यू।